Jesus is taken down from the cross and given to his mother. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. In our society, many parents of the youth remain far and see the beauty of their son and daughter suffering from the ailments of the family and society. The son and daughter, finding no support or guidance from their own parents, end their lives. Now the parents realize the value of their own son and daughter and run to their rescue, but their efforts are useless, and they cry over it because they could not become a good parent. They take this youth body into their hands and grieve over it for the entire lifetime. Some youth may end up in jail, some end up in mental asylum. Prayer. Help us, Lord, not to leave you alone. Give us the fidelity to withstand moments of confusion and a love ready to embrace you and those around us in utter helplessness. Like your mother who once more holds you to her breast. Have mercy on us, O Lord. Have mercy on us.